Hi, welcome back to the Make Money with Phone channel, and let's cover how to earn money with phone no investment right now. What if your phone could make you money? No scams, no fees, no crypto nonsense. You already spend hours on your phone. Why not get paid for it? We tested a bunch of apps to see which ones actually pay you for doing almost nothing. It doesn't matter what phone you have, these work for everyone. Today, we'll show you 3 legit apps that pay you for everyday phone use, plus a sneaky tip for each to boost your earnings. Forget the scams. We've done the research so you don't have to. Let's turn your phone into a mini ATM right now. Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free proven make money apps that can pay you today. Report now. Turn phone time into make cash time today. Number 1. How to earn money with phone no investment app is InboxDollars. Sign up and get a free $5 bonus. Companies pay for your attention, so InboxDollars pays you for watching videos, reading emails, and quick polls. Most people waste time on long surveys. Skip those. Focus on the fastest tasks. Click a paid email, answer a daily poll, and you're earning in seconds. Here's the sneaky tip. Go to the TV section, pick a channel, and let the videos autoplay while your phone charges overnight. You don't have to watch or listen, just let it run. Wake up to free money for literally doing nothing. It's been tested, and your balance can grow literally overnight. It's not a fortune, but it's passive income for zero effort. Combine charging your phone with InboxDollars TV, and you're earning while you sleep. Set it, forget it, and let your phone work for you. That's how you turn InboxDollars into a passive income stream. Easy win. Number 2. How to earn money with phone no investment app is StreetBees, an app that pays for your real-life opinions and habits. Instead of boring surveys, you answer quick chat-style questions about your day, like snapping a pic of your snack or sharing what you're watching. Each story takes just a couple minutes and pays real cash. The best paying stories are time-sensitive and fill up fast. Sneaky tip, turn on push notifications so you're first to grab high-paying tasks. Respond instantly, and you'll always get the best offers. It's fast, easy, and fits into your daily routine. Don't just use StreetBees, use it smart. Be quick, and you'll earn more than anyone else. That's how you win with StreetBees. Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free proven make money apps that can pay you today. Report now. Turn phone time into make cash time today. Number 3. How to earn money with phone no investment app is Surge Rewards. Yes, Surge Rewards, the king of earning for doing nothing. It pays you for unlocking your phone, charging it, and browsing the web. Install the app, and every time you unlock your phone, you earn points. No clicks, no effort. You also get bonus points for charging and browsing through their app. The sneaky tip: enable fingerprint or face unlock for instant access. The faster you unlock, the more points you rack up. Combine this with charging. Check notifications while plugged in, and you're stacking rewards. Surge Rewards turns your daily habits into cash with zero change to your routine. I set it up, and my points added up just by living my normal life. It's the laziest, most effective way to make your phone pay you. Unlock, charge, repeat, earn. That's it. Surge Rewards makes every phone check count. 3 apps, 3 sneaky tips. Real money for things you already do. No, you won't get rich, but you'll cover pizza, coffee, or your next Amazon buy. Set them up, let them run, and watch the rewards add up. Want more tips? Join my free newsletter for weekly app hacks. Link in the description or scan the QR code on screen now. No investment, no risk, no scams. Just easy wins from your phone. Start stacking small rewards every day. Your phone is now your side hustle. Don't forget to grab our free The Make Money with Phone newsletter and free proven make money apps that can pay you today. Report now. Turn phone time into make cash time today.